On question 13, we're asked to factor the trinomial completely. So my first step is to try and factor out a GCF, if there is one. And there's no number that divides evenly into 4, 22, and negative 5. So I can't take out any numbers, and they all don't have variables. So there is no GCF. So I'm ready to do the AC method. So AC would be 4 times negative 5, which is negative 20. And B would be positive 22. So I need two numbers that multiply together to be negative 20, but add to be 22. So that would be, let's try negative 1 and 20. Those multiply to be negative 20, they add to be 19. What about negative 2 and 10? That'll be 8. 3 doesn't go into 20, 4 does. So negative 4 and 5, that will be 1. So if you just want to divide on your calculator 20 by 3 to see if it goes in evenly, 20 by 4, I don't see any 22 here. I mean, if I reverse my signs, all that's going to do is just change my signs. So it doesn't actually help me. So in this case, this actually cannot be factored. So this can't be factored. So sometimes we write prime, sometimes we just write the original question. It's not a no solution, it's just it can't be factored. So the original problem, the original trinomial, is just your answer because it can't be factored.